Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get pumpkin pie in block tails. First, you'll need to identify the current in-game event or quest that offers pumpkin pie as a reward. These events often appear seasonally, so keep an eye on your quest log. Next, ensure your character meets any prerequisites, such as a minimum level or completion of previous quests. Being prepared will save you time and effort. Let's dive into the details of what you need to do. To craft your delicious pumpkin pie, you'll need to gather a few key ingredients. Start by collecting 5 pumpkins, which are typically found in the game's farming zones. Next, you'll need 3 units of sugar. These are often dropped by certain enemy types, so be ready for a fight. Finally, secure 2 buckets of milk from the friendly farm animals located near the village. Once you have these, you're almost ready to bake. With all your ingredients in hand, head over to the crafting station. You'll usually find this in the main town square, marked by a special icon on your map. Open the crafting interface and locate the pumpkin pie recipe. Drag and drop your 5 pumpkins, 3 units of sugar, and 2 buckets of milk into the designated slots. Double-check everything, then hit the craft button to create your delicious pumpkin pie. Now that you have your freshly baked pumpkin pie, it's time to enjoy it. Consuming the pie will grant your character a temporary stat boost, perfect for upcoming challenges. You can also share slices with your friends to receive a cooperative bonus, making group activities even more rewarding. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.